There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again, Messy Bench. I was in here the other day and got some shit, and I didn't clean it up because I've been busy the last couple of days and haven't been in here in 2 days. Another bench cleaning video. Yep, just cleaned the bench. So yeah, like I said, I made a little short video on my little start book. I'll make a video on this while I'm here. I picked up this start book online. It's pretty cool. Yikes! What the hell is that? Call it. And it's not bad. Didn't pay very much for it. I think it was like $10, $12, something like that. I bought it, and basically it's kind of like tool porn, I guess you could say. It's pretty cool. You can do all kinds of.
Hello, Michelle. I am doing fine.
Hey, what the hell's
Sorry,
this?
I haven't been on here very much.
Somebody's talking. One of you guys. One of my YouTubers on there. Holy shit.
But thought I'd better check in. It's been a while.
Yeah, one of you crazy YouTubers. I already made a video on that fucking thing. Let's put this magnet under here. All my magnets go under here. This is cool. I can't wait to use this. My little, what do you call it? Spot weld hole. Filled the hole with the copper. Can't wait to use that. It's just old shit. I should probably throw this in the garbage. Yeah. I told my wife, I said, look, you bought me a screen protector. And I put the phone inside the box. I'm like, yeah, it's the best screen protector in the world. Fucking idiot. Oops. This goes back in there. Screws. I put that on there. This is garbage. Garbage, and more garbage. I made a little clamp video the other day. There's that. Gotta put these somewhere. Put them back where they belong. Yeah. What is going on this fucking Voxer shit here? Jesus Christ. Guys are crazy. That's for my machine. Alright, this is probably as clean as it's going to get for now. Anyway, folks. What the hell? Oh, yeah. Let's get this out of the way. That's why. Phone cable. How is everything falling on the goddamn floor? Like, where the hell does this pen come from? I don't know, man. Some weird shit going on here. Anyway, yeah. Picked up something new. Bought another replacement thing for my CP reciprocating saw. In case I break the other one, I bought an extra one. That it was like I went to go pick it up at a border. Like, you have an envelope. I'm like, I know an envelope. Forgot all about it. So I ordered that, and then actually I'll make a new video for this one. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff, and I'm gonna make a whole bunch of shorts and stuff. So yeah, there we go.